When I was growing up, Reese's peanut butter cups are some of my favorite treats. But the older I got, chocolate began to lose its appeal. And I felt as if I could go the rest of my life without having chocolate again and not miss out on anything. But then I discovered and rediscovered artisanal and international chocolate. And I realized it's not chocolate that lost its appeal to me, it's cheap American chocolate. Well, let's begin one-upping Hershey's by first of all getting a half cup of unsweetened Dutch press cocoa powder into a cup, and then pour it into a magic bullet instead because I figure that I'm going to be blending it together. And then get 6 tablespoons of coconut oil in there and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And then wipe down the counter, and now try to blend everything together. It's pretty viscous, and the blender didn't really do anything at all because it's just so viscous. So anyway, let's just open it up and take a look, and yes, that is viscous. Let's try to get it onto the chocolate mold anyway, and wow, that is viscous. Well, let's try to do a little bit better by heating it up in the microwave. Maybe that will help a little bit. So zap it in the microwave for a bit, and stir things around in the chocolate mold while you're waiting, and heating it up in the microwave didn't really make a difference, just made it hot. So anyway, let's just get the top of the mold on there, and now try to make some chocolate, peanut, and almond butter cups as well. So layer of chocolate on the bottom, then nut butter in the middle, and then layer of chocolate on the top, and then put it in the refrigerator for a while and let it all solidify. And here we go. It is time for the big reveal. Did these chocolate and these nut butter cups turn out as I had hoped they would? Are they going to taste good? How does it even look? Well, it doesn't look very appetizing. It looks like something that came out of an anus, but it's okay. Let's turn it over, and hey, look, it actually has a bit of a chocolate-looking texture. Okay, and it's actually solid as well, which is a pleasant surprise too. So let's now just give it a shot and see what it tastes like. And, well, it did break off just fine, but yes, it tastes actually pretty good. It has a nice dark flavor, not too sweet. Okay, so now let's try one of the peanut butter cups. And yeah, doesn't win any Martha Stewart awards for appearance, but it turned out pretty decent in terms of taste. And now for an almond butter cup. Let's see how that goes. And once again, it doesn't look nice, but looks are, only half of it. And oh wow, this one was actually really good. I could see myself making more of that in the future.